Modern Suite makes it easy to view and update items on the fly. Once signed in, select the Product Lookup Binoculars button to access the Product Lookup page. From here, you can either scan or enter an item lookup code or search by description. Immediately in view is the pricing and general information about the product. To make changes, select the Edit pencil to enter editing mode. Text fields allow you to type in specific information, while fields with predetermined choices such as barcode, department, and category allow you to select from a drop-down menu. Once you've finished editing, simply select the Edit pencil again to exit editing mode, and any changes you have made will be immediately reflected in RMH as well as Modern Suite. The purchasing category shows historical sales and order history information about the item. And in addition to showing inventory data, the inventory section allows a user to change item quantity on the fly. Enter edit mode, go to inventory, and adjust quantities as needed. Then exit editing mode to commit the change. Adjusting inventory in this manner will generate a committed transfer in RMH to reflect the quantity adjusted to account for item movement tracking. Additional item information to view includes the bin location, active or inactive status, purchasing details, alias, and lot settings. Note on settings with a toggle switch, the status is displayed, but can only be adjusted while in edit mode. So if I try to adjust now before edit mode, it doesn't make a change. Go into edit, and you can adjust. Viewing and editing the full item details is a feature available to the elevated Administrator Modern Suite users, which is a permission setting determined by the user's manager role in RMH. To view or adjust this role, open RMH Manager, go to Setup, People and Security, Users, and you can see what manager role is assigned to each user. To enable Administrator mode in MS, make sure the user has the full access role assigned. Non-admin users also have the ability to view information on the fly, but are not able to edit item properties and have a restricted view of historical, purchasing, and pricing information. Modern Suite also offers the ability for users with administrative permissions to create items on the fly. To start, create a new list and enter an item lookup code that is not currently present in the database. You will be prompted with the option to create a new item. Here you can enter the information for a new item, with the ability to switch between each category of the item's properties using these arrow buttons. Once the information has been entered, select the checkbox. And that item is now added to your list and is now available in RMH as well. For more walkthroughs and troubleshooting tips from Modern Suite or other New West Technology software, check out the New West Technologies YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe for the latest updates on all our platforms. And remember, the latest builds of all our software with the accompanying user guide are available at newwesttech.com/downloads.